Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these cards are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading. That may give you clarity about your circumstances today, Virgos. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies. We have Page of Earth, Two of Fire, and Call. So in your circumstances today, Virgos, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are someone committed, dedicated to whatever you do. So you stand by the choices you make and you work really hard trying to do your best and trying to do the things in the right way. And you have very positive attitude, cheerful about your work, and you have a very practical dream for your life. You have achievable dreams and you're working towards that, and you're seeing the beginning of success today in your life, and you are happy for it, and you feel that all your hard work and efforts are paying off, are coming into reality. Same way in this relationship, you are a very trustworthy, loyal person, and your person, they trust you. They feel that you are the rock they can rely on. They feel really happy to be with you, and they feel really inspired to be with you. And they just love to hold on to you and move forward in life because they feel really cheerful, confident about themselves when they are with you. So, Virgos, maybe this person you are with, they adore you and they are truly in love with you. And whatever your situation is, it is taking you towards towards that purpose of your life. Circumstances are unfolding in such a way that you feel that everything is happening as it should, maybe destiny unfolding in a beautiful way, and it is expressing itself. All that positive energy is being expressed through you, through your work, or through that kindness and love you show to this person. So it comes out in a very positive way through you guys, and people, maybe your person, they simply are attracted to you because of that quality of yours, and they feel that they can face anything. Maybe the future, it may be uncertain, they don't know where things will go, but they feel really confident to be with you, and just holding on to your hands, they can walk anywhere. That is their attitude today, and they feel really happy to be with you in this relationship, Virgo. So this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them, Virgos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, Nine of Earth. So this relationship is moving towards marriage or commitment, guys. That is what I see with this card. And you are building a beautiful, positive, strong relationship that is going to withstand any storm, because you are building this relationship on trust, on truth, and love. That is the energy with this card. So, for your career situation, let's see what is the card. King of Earth. So, in your work, just like I said, you are someone committed to whatever you do. You have that dedication, determination to do things the right way, and that may be the reason you are attracting positive offers, opportunities in your life. You are attracting wealth, you are attracting prosperity because of the way you are. You are really positive, and your circumstances are going in a very positive way, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that, guys. Virgos, that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, what to say, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals, or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is, maybe at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession, or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today You need to, what to say, if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.